The point A and B lie on the circumference of a circle. Show that the center of the circle lie on the line of y plus 3x equal to 3. Okay, imagine that we have a circle and then we have a point here which is the negative 1, 2, and another point is 1, 4. So uh, this didn't say that this diameter or whatever. Then we know that the property of circle is the what the the radius. Okay, radius will perpendicular bisect any chord fall on the uh, circle. Okay, so what we do now is we find the perpendicular bisector. So the gradient for this is 4 minus 2 over 1 minus negative 1. Then is 2 over 2, then is 1. Okay, this is the gradient of AB. Okay, then we want to find the perpendicular. Gradient for the perpendicular will be negative 1 over 1, then will be negative 1. And the midpoint for these 2 points is negative 1 plus 1 over 2, and then 2 plus 4 over 2. Then is 0, 3. Okay, so we will have the y minus 3 equal to negative 1 x minus 0. Then we have negative 1, negative x plus 3. Y equal to negative x plus 3. Okay, negative x plus 3, which is y plus x equal to 3. Okay, then. So the equation should be y plus x equal to 3. Okay, if I change the question, this one become negative 2, then the gradient of AB will be 4 minus negative 2 over 1 minus negative 1, then is 6 over 2, then is 3. Then the gradient of the perpendicular bisector, okay, perpendicular bisector will be the negative 1 over 3. Okay, and the midpoint is negative 1 plus 1 over 2, negative 2 plus 4 over 2. Then the midpoint will be 0 and then 1. So we have the y minus 1 equal to negative 1 over 3 x minus 0. Okay, then we have the uh, what 3y minus 3 equal to negative x. Then 3y plus x equal to 3. Okay, we still cannot get the same answer. Then what we have will be the 3y plus 3y plus x equal to 3. Okay, so I think it's typo here lah. Should be y plus x equal to 3. Okay, so if I have a C here, CA equal to CB is the radius, and then the square root of this equal to square root of this, then we have the x plus y equal to 3. So both will give me the same answer. Okay. Okay. So, but if we use perpendicular bisector, then this will be easier. Okay.